Hey guys, welcome back for a new clean with me. Today I've got a lot on the to-do list and we're starting off by getting a load going in the wash. I'm going to be cycling through laundry the entire video because sometimes it just kind of piles up. Also on the list today, I wanted to go through and top to bottom clean our master bathroom, the toilet up here. I wanted to do a bunch of vacuuming, like mainly the stairs, and you'll have to watch and see as we go through, but there was a lot of different things that I wanted to kind of deep clean today. Those things that get left, they get left over as the weeks go by. I think everybody can relate. If you've got some cleaning tasks that you need to work on, then leave them down in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you guys are up to or just how your week went, how you're feeling. Love to chat with you guys in the comments. Today's video is sponsored by Babbel, and while I'm folding laundry, I'm actually working on learning a new language. I'm really excited. I'm actually learning French right now because we have a trip planned for 2022. We're gonna go back to Paris, France. We had so much fun. We stayed in an Airbnb and took it all in. This time going back, I really want to be able to at least have a conversation with someone and be courteous, when you're going into shops or restaurants. I really wanted to learn practical conversation. So the nice thing is there's lots of different ways to learn. You can do lessons, which are only about 10 minutes and they're interactive. There's podcasts, games, videos. You can actually even sign up for a live class with the teacher. Usually when I'm listening to an audio lesson, I like to take a quick break and then do some of the interactive lessons. I feel like that helps me retain a lot of it. Here's a sample of what it's like to use the app. Il. Tu. Tu. Vous.
Je m'appelle Alice.
Je m'appelle Alice. One of the things that's most important to me learning a new language is to not just learn vocabulary, but specifically how to use it in practical terms, like every day when you're going into a restaurant. And something that I didn't know when I first went there was bonjour is a very formal way to say hello. But if you have friends or, your spouse, you could say salut. I really like that you get a little insight into the culture and traditions and real life speaking, and to me that's super important. If you've ever considered learning a new language, I would highly recommend that you check out their app, and you can get 65% off your subscription to Babbel with the link down below. They also have a 20-day money-back guarantee, so it really is risk-free.
I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal.
Next up on my list is to deep clean the stairs, and if at all possible, I can do it with this vacuum, I love to use the full power head, the main vacuum on the stair. I think that it really does, it's so much better of a job than if you use the attachments. And I love that this one is narrow enough that I can actually just do half the stair and then take it back up and then do the other half of the stair. I feel like it gets them so much cleaner, and this one's not that heavy, so I love Shark vacuums for that.
And I wanna take you there. Give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day I die. Oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better, 'cause a love like this is rare. And I wanna take you there. If I'm gonna love
Watching this footage of the stairs, it really reminds me of, in the past, I have done this backwards. I started at the bottom, and then to clean every single stair, I had to lift the vacuum up. And then I'd also have to lift it to do the other side of the stair. So this is my tried and true, what I do now. I like to use the full bottom part of the vacuum, and I do one half and then just all you do is just ease it down to the next stair, and then you don't have to do a bunch of this heavy lifting.
Oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, love it till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there.
Now that I've got the stairs done, I'm gonna go ahead and move over that laundry that we started earlier. I really was gonna try and cycle through as much laundry, like I mentioned at the beginning, as much laundry as I could today. I swear, like, I do so much laundry, I feel bad for my washer and dryer. I mean, with 6 people you're going to, but it's a lot, like it really is. If I was gonna hire someone to help me clean the house, I think I would literally just give them laundry because it can take so long. So I'm just moving over the loads, starting another one, and then I'm usually using this Ecos free and clear laundry detergent, and then I'm also using the, is it Lysol or Clorox? I think it's the Lysol laundry sanitizer. I love this stuff, and also in the free and clear. I'm so glad that you guys couldn't actually see that close up on this sink, because my husband had shaved off his like facial hair and it was all over the sink. Anytime, like he usually cleans it up for the most part, but anytime the sink or the counter, if it's all dry, use your vacuum, like with the crevice tool. It makes it so much quicker to clean up dust or like hair or whatever. If you can do that before you start spraying and like getting it wet, it's so much faster. Another product you guys would have seen recently is this little spin brush. I love this thing for sinks and grout. It's so good. Anytime now that I'm cleaning around the sink, especially like this base part that can get kind of like scummy, or in between the little handles, I'm using this thing. Like I don't care if it's under the sink downstairs and I have to like specifically go and get it from downstairs. It's worth it because so much less scrubbing. It doesn't like gum up your towel. It's fast to clean, and it just really gets in there and like it gets where nothing else can go. Something I really appreciate is having the bathroom, like our master bathroom floor, completely cleaned, like mopped. So I just picked up those area rugs, the one we like get out of the shower on, and I'm gonna wash those a little bit later. But for now, I just shook them off onto the floor and I threw them into the wash or the shower. And then I'm gonna just take out the trash, move the scale and the ladder, and then I'm gonna get to cleaning the toilet. I have a really big pet peeve of when I'm cleaning the toilet, I don't like there to be anything around. Like I don't want there to be a trash can or, a scale or something like that. Nothing near the toilet, because I really like to be able to spray like everywhere around it, like the floor, the sides of it, and just douse it in the cleaner. So anytime I'm gonna do that, I have to like remove everything from the area. Now I've got all of the dust up from the bathroom floor, and here I go in with that bathroom cleaner. Like I said, I'm spraying it like everywhere, especially on the floor around the toilet. I think it's because it's the shower. It's like it attracts dust, and then it becomes kind of like gummy from all the humidity, and it only takes a week and you've got it built up again. It's kind of funny because everybody has their own process for like cleaning toilets. I use like multiple cleaning rags depending on like the dirtiness level of what I'm cleaning. Like I'll go through the most dirty area and then I get out a new towel and then I go to the least dirty area and then I go back down to the most dirty. So I have like a method. I know some people like to use gloves when they're cleaning the toilet. To me, it doesn't really bother me because I know I'm going to be washing my hands. But yeah, I have a certain method when it comes to like the order in which I do it and which rags I use for what, and yeah, pet peeves.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight, didn't follow my dream.
I'm so curious for those of you guys that are watching, how are you watching this Clean With Me video? Is it on your phone? Are you cleaning along with me? Are you just like stashing up the motivation to like get you inspired to clean your house? Are you did you put it up on the TV while you're vacuuming? I would love to know. I'm so nosy and I'm really curious. So leave a comment down below and let me know.
Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time.
Right now I'm just adding some dish soap to the mop water here. I don't really notice a big difference with like most floor cleaners, like marketed floor cleaners. I don't really notice much of a difference. I just want something kind of sudsy, and I usually just bring the dish soap up and use that. Yeah, unless I'm cleaning like wood floors and I need a shine, I just use dish soap.
Touch. What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. You will find a way. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. You'll make it in time. 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 Time. What makes it worth the while? You will make it in time. You will find a way. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs.
Fresh and clean bathroom. I love being able to just walk in and like the floor just feels so clean, like under your feet, it's just clean. It's the best feeling. Okay, so now we are going into the downstairs living room, and I also wanted to deep clean these stairs and really get any there's just always pieces of paper or wrappers, like granola bar wrappers that somehow make it down here. That pantry or that door right there is our pantry, so I guess it makes sense. They open the bar right there, and then there's just always things that accumulate like that when you've got kids. So I'm just going to give these a quick vacuum, and you can really see here my method. I start at the top, and then I do one side of the stair, and then I just kind of drag it down. So much easier than going the other way around. We're getting near the end of my list for today, but I just wanted to pass along just a little thought from me to you. Whether you're cleaning, your whole house today or you're just tackling something small, I just want to say that it's enough. You don't have to do it all to be successful or to be productive or to feel really good about what you've done. Just vacuuming the room is helping. It's pushing you forward, and it's keeping things tidy. You should feel really good about it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. You can also subscribe to our newsletter so you don't miss a new video. I'll put that link down in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next Monday, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Bye guys.